Hey guys, my name's Dora, and today we are painting tulips. For a few of the tulips, I'm going to show the image that was the source of inspiration. These are loose, so I don't ever paint exactly what I see. I just use the images for ideas. This is a tutorial, so I wanted to include a few different types of tulips. You can paint a single petal tulip or a tulip with 2 petals or 3. The first few tulips I show you is to demonstrate how easy the tulip flower is to paint, but stay tuned in though, because after these few tulips, I'm going to show you how fun and creative you can get with this flower. I could be wrong, but I feel like this is the most common tulip that people paint, so I definitely felt like I had to include it. Here is the 3 petal that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so now we get to the fun part. I'm going to be painting loose tulips in the sense that I'm not looking at anything when I paint them. I'm just painting from the heart, and if you can't tell by now, I love color. For me, there's nothing better than painting loose florals with lots of different, bold, and unexpected colors. And I definitely encourage you to do the same. Most importantly, just have fun with it. The image here looks nothing like the tulip I painted. However, I did get the idea for the falling petal from this image. So that's the beauty of loose florals. They're whatever you want them to be. I don't know if you can tell, but I was trying to paint this really full tulip here where the petals were falling on one side. There are so many different types of tulips. I'll paint most of them, but I don't know if you've ever seen one of those parrot tulips. Those are a bit intimidating for me. I wouldn't even know how to approach it. But if you paint one, I'd love to see it. And matter of fact, if you paint any tulips, I'd love to see them. I absolutely adore this tulip. I think it came out so pretty and cheerful, and I'm saying this because the next one's going to look very similar. I agonized over which one to cut, and I just couldn't. I love them both so much, so I left them in. And by the way, this one is a bit different though. It only has one petal on the right, and the other one has two. So there you go. Ever since I've seen this tulip, I wanted to paint it so bad. It's a tulip that's bursting open with all these luscious petals coming out of the top, so I gave it my best. I don't feel like it resembles the tulip that I was trying to paint, but I do like the way it came out, and I had fun when I was painting it, so win-win. So that's it. I really hope you like this tutorial, and most importantly, I hope that it serves as a source of inspiration. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you found this tutorial helpful or inspirational, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on creative and inspiring watercolor painting ideas.